Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Muhammad and in today's video I'm gonna teach you the latest method of Gemini Pro 1 year for free. You can easily get your accounts a free 1 year of Gemini Pro subscription. You can use it in any Google product websites like Anti-Gravity or Flow or Stitch or anything you need. So please don't skip any part of the video so you don't make any mistakes, because this method is not kinda of easy. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to this Gemini bot. I will leave the link in description or in comments. You will get ready here and prepare a Google account, a Gmail account. For me here already I signed in account. First of all, you will have to go to wallet and subscriptions, click on it and go to payment data and manage payment methods and open link in new tab. You will get this verification code, just write it. Okay, after I entered my OTP code, here's if you have any payment profile, you must delete it, because the method will not work if you have any old payment profile or any payment method. So if you found anything here, just click on delete and delete your payment profile. Also check this one. If you have any payment profile here or any payment method, just delete it, guys. Okay guys, after you deleted any payment profile or payment method, just go to security and sign in option and click on two-step verification, and you make sure that you added at least one device signed in with your current email that you will be verifying. Why we do this step? Just to click on verify and accept as a sign in when the Telegram bot asks for a sign in option. Okay, make sure you signed in at least one mobile device. Okay, after you make this, just go to your Telegram bot. So to make a verify, guys, you will need to add balance by clicking on here, or you can just collect credits by getting referrals, like here. For every 10 referrals, you will get 1 credit. So if you invited 10 of your friends, you will get a free credit. If you don't want to waste your time, you can just buy a credit. But you can just easily collect by referrals. Okay, so get back and click on create verify and enter your Gmail. It will ask you for the password. Write down the password and click on verify sign in. Boom, it will start working right now, and we should just wait to accept the sign in when the Telegram bot asks for the sign in. Now I received the message. I will just click on yes, it's me, to approve the sign in. And it also will tell you which number you have to choose. For me here, it's 61. I approved the sign in, and it will keep continuing the processing. And boom, it gives you a redeem link and it says succeeded. All you're gonna do is just left click on it. It will open right here, copy it and paste it in your browser. As you can see here, offer, I can subscribe to the offer by just clicking on start trial and agree, and just enter your credit card details and it will be activated for free. You can also open a VPN into the United States or United Kingdom if you have any payment issues. Okay, That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me to do more videos. And don't forget to join the Telegram channel that I have made for our community. We can chat together and ask for any methods, and see you in the next video.